How to change the time on iPhone. To change the time on iPhone, first of all go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you are here, you will be able to access all the primary settings. Then, you need to scroll down a bit and find the General option. Over here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone. You can even change the time on your iPhone. For that, you need to scroll down to the Date and Time option. Tap on it. Then, tap on Time Zone to select manually. Once you're in, you can search by the region over here. Type in your location and set it. Hit backspace. Then set the date from here. And configure your time form here. Or you can just toggle on the Set Automatically option over here. Once you've done it, the time and date will be automatically set for you. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the time on iPhone.